Well, I think I found my happy place, although I found a lot of happy places as we travel. But this one is pretty cool. The sun's not out right at this moment, but it was a few minutes ago. This is a combination of golden aspen and Christmas trees. I mean, what could be better? We're on the $1 Million Highway, just outside of Reveille, and it's fabulous. We struck gold.
Yeah, if you can look closely on the Christmas trees behind us, you'll see they are decorated with aspen leaves. And so this is like being in a Christmas scene with beautiful yellow aspens and beautiful green and yellow Christmas trees. We were looking for a gold. The reason we came back to Reveille this time of the year was last year when we were here, we anticipated that it could be incredibly beautiful with just a little bit later in the season, and we've been proven correct.
We've been rewarded.
Yeah, this has been words are hard to describe it.
I can hardly contain myself.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so excited. It's like being in a Christmas tree lot decorated with golden aspen leaves and having these tall aspens just creating this crown of gold for you. Yeah,
I'm going to swing the camera around just so that you can get a feel for the 360 view from where we are. I'm going to swing it around. I'll be back in a moment.
So we're just so glad you're with us, and we're going to keep hunting out more of this fall color.
That's for absolute sure. But it's a fabulous day here. We're hoping you're having a fabulous day there. And
we've been here in the San Juan Mountains for a week now, and except for our one day over to Telluride, we have made this $1 Million Highway drive every day. It's changed every day. More and more snow, more and more color. It just couldn't have been a better week.
yeah, last year we discovered this part of Colorado almost by accident. And I have to tell you, if you haven't been here, you've missed a real treat. This time of the year especially, the combination of snow and colors and Christmas trees,
it's the best.
I can't hardly describe it. It's so amazing. Unfortunately, this is our last day here, but it won't be our last day here. We will be back, and because it's just too special not to come and enjoy again.
So for now,
As we always say,
make the best of every day.
bye for now.
And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.